man. It's going crazy, it's going pinning. Yeah, man, Machiavelli. Tell us more, man. How's it feeling? Now I don't feel nothing. Now you're good. Will eat and take it. Yeah. Okay?
A few moments later.
500 on the milk.
Don't drink the milk, Baba. Don't
go, Said. We here. You can take the milk or you take the money. Drink. Blue. Oh, what's up, Pele? Yeah. Mind. Kwenyeleni. Yenza njani ngikoqela? Yalkhalela ubisi. Uzokwenza njani? Ingabe ufuna u500 or ufuna ukuphuza ubisi? Kwenza njani? Ufuna siyephi?
Siya kwi5 clip.
Siya kwi5 clip. Yes. I love it. Keeper. Kwenza njani manje? Usho makuthi suza. Into ibona imali. Ubona imali?
Liba hayi mfethu na ubisi mfethu. Just in case ukrend. Usho. Ibaba njengantoni mfethu ngachaza. Nama ndiyazi nje ukuba injani yazi lento guys. I don't know myself so I can't explain for you. Ibaba kanjani mfethu khasichazela. No mfethu nabo uthi uyayikhihla. Usichameli baba. Ukrend. Yamezela ke bethe abe 2 minutes ne 3 minutes left. 3 more minutes mfethu. Emotions wise. Scale of 1 to some grand. 50. Relaxa ngexesha bro wami. Relaxa ngexesha ungakhali mfethu. Yo, le ndoda iphuma indembezi.
Namanje mfethu.
Women power, guys.
January ke uthi woman power.
Oh, and guys, gate 30 is my birthday.
Gate 30. Oh, can I see your eyes? Are you crying? We want to see you in the camera there. Are you crying? Leli chip leli nje akuyona challenge kweni. I500 try uyayithatha. You won't drink milk.
Never. A few moments later.
This one is dangerous.
Guys, don't try this at home. Yo, mafethu. Don't try this at home. Yes! Let's go, my brother. Woo! Yo, peace.
A few moments later.
It's okay with time. I need this close up, man. You can do this, man. How you feeling, man? Talk to us.
Yo, it's like I'm high.
It's like you're very high. But you're doing it for...
It's another episode at gLiTtv, mtanami.
Are you shocked, my man?
Kwenza njani mfethu? Kwenza njani man? Likhona ubisi masulidinga. Likhona ivati. Ukrenda ngithi.
At this moment you
Nayi nemali yakho. Mfethu. You right?
It seems they finally get it, starting finally get a message while I'm playing. I told these people 2020 for the taking. Yeah, I see it contemplating, trying to break me while they hating. How you hate a nigga born in